Hi, it's Dina Di Perry, founder of the PopNGo. We have our pink and green PopNGo. It is washable, it is packable, but most importantly, it's water repellent. So that's a big deal in quarantine life. So good news is it's super easy to convert this scarf into a wonderful mask. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You tie the ends, it's shaped like a trapezoid. You just place the knot behind your head, loop it over again, and what you do is just hold it, place it the direction that you want it over your mouth, and you just keep pulling and tucking until you have it completely where you want it. Keep popping.